today I'm going to show you how to put a bird on your hand. The yellow one's name Emily, the white one's name is Jack. So let's go. You can put your hand at the back of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And sometimes she likes biting me. See, she just came. You can pet her from the tummy, then she comes. There's different kind of ways. And you can put on her feet, she will come. And if she goes on this side, then you could put your hand over there at the back of her feet, and then you could catch her. See, it's on my hand. Yeah. And she just runs away, and she loves biting me. Stop biting me every day. Yeah. Gosh, guys. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Okay.
Now she's on the ground. I can't get her. Now come back up here. Yeah. Yeah. See, you can do it like that way. But she didn't come. And she runs away sometimes. So that's how you put a bird on your hand. Okay, bye.
There's also one more technique. You could do this, but it doesn't always work. You could do this way. We're not just grabbing them like that. So you put your hand like this way, on his stomach or on his feet. You have a mostly equal chance to get him on. And then when he comes on, to train him, go like this, like skills. Bye.